So today we are replanting chocolate cherry, I don't know if you can see that, and atomic grape.
Atomic grape and chocolate cherry tomatoes. Yes. It is time to move them into bigger containers. So me and Lane are going to work on that today. He was helping me with it Tuesday.
Yeah.
And then we took a break from Mardi Gras, but we are back at it because these tomatoes can't wait any longer. Did I get some dirt on you?
Yes.
You want to show them yours that you're working on?
I'm working on cherry, chocolate cherry.
Chocolate cherry. Great.
The roots are growing out.
Yeah. So it's time to get that done.
So we can't let them in here that much longer. Maybe 3 more days and they have to be moved out or they're done.
So I had these little pots. I picked them up from Dollar Tree, I think 2 or 3 years ago. Reuse them. Like it says mild jalapeno, but I'm actually putting atomic grapes in them today. So we are going to show you how we do that. It's very simple. You just take your little pot.
You write something on it. Can you put the mulch back?
You write what it is. So our dirt container fell. I had to stand it back up.
Can we start doing it?
Yeah, go ahead. You want to show them from this angle?
Can they see? Can y'all see it?
I think they can see it.
Yeah, they can see us.
All
so
right.
y'all just gonna hear us now. Y'all won't be able to see us.
Hey, so everything's a bit chaotic. I'm going to go ahead and do this part real quickly. I just wanted to show you how to repot a tomato. So if you want to see that, watch this minute or two of the video. But if you want to see what it's like to have a child that is deeply involved in the homesteading and the gardening and everything else, continue watching the video because you'll see me and Lane working on about 15, 20 tomatoes. He wanted to show you how to do it. So I went ahead and let him. So I'm just going to add this clip in here as a quick, this is how you do it. You can stay and watch the rest if you want. So I'm just moving up to this size pot from these. I planted multiples in each one. That way if something doesn't sprout, I didn't waste a lot of space. But now it's time to split them up into here. So I have this little pot. I'm going to put about 1 inch of dirt. We don't want to put a whole lot. We're just going to put a little bit into the bottom of our pot, maybe about here. I'm going to remove from this sail. If you turn your pot sideways and squeeze from the bottom, it'll go ahead, it'll pull it out for you. Now as you can see, one of these sprouted real well, the other one not so much. I'm actually just going to pop this one off. We don't want it. You're going to go ahead. You're going to put it as far down into this pot as you can. And then you're going to take some more dirt and you're just going to fill up this pot all the way around. Because you want to go ahead and bury that stem as far down into the dirt as you can. And what's going to happen when you do that is it's going to form a stronger stem and a stronger root system. So now you can see that my dirt is here. My plant's way down here. And that's just going to make a nice little plant. That is a sweet aroma tomato. I should probably label it before it goes in the pot, but I probably won't. And the thing about that is, with tomatoes, and we do show you, and this is a longer version, but I'm trying to get it down quick for you. They have these fine hairs, and these will all turn into roots. So do not worry about planting deep on your tomatoes. And when you put them in the ground, if you want to, you can plant them deep again and continue to cover with dirt. That way you'll have a super strong tomato plant. Alright guys, thanks for sticking through that. If you watched all the way through me and Lane's lesson, he will appreciate it and he will be watching for comments. Alright, we are back at it. We're trying to get a better angle of what we do in here. Let me put this up for you. There you go.
And we also put in some more water in this, so it might look a little different.
Yeah, I'm not loving this potting soil, but that's okay. We'll make it work.
Can you hold it for me?
Yep. So you are going to hold the tomato plant up as high as you can. And we are going to bury it as deep as we can. Alright. So you're going to put maybe an inch of dirt in the bottom of your pot like this. Hold this for me, please, sir.
I'm going to go on my second one. Are you doing that?
I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the cell pack and split it. I'm going to try to keep the biggest ones and the strongest ones. I'm going to put it down as far into the container as I can.
I got you.
You got me? You going to give me some dirt?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you, good sir. And then we are going to fill these up all the way.
And we'll push it down so you can get the maximum amount of dirt in your...
So what we're going to do is they're going to stay in these pots here until they are ready to go in the ground. And that's it. So we're going to do that with about 20 or 30 more tomato plants.
So, let's get working.
Let's get working. We'll take some of these
So I'm
out.
just going to say, you can like and subscribe whenever you want on this video. Just like and subscribe. And hit the notification button. Just remember that.
My main YouTube expert, huh?
Yes.
That's you.
I'm going to make sure I'm not using... Yeah, I'm using my...
Alright, sir. I made some room for you in here to put tomatoes.
Okay, there you go. That's good. What do I do with this? Toss it in the mulch?
You can just toss that one since it's so tiny.
By the way, I tossed that little one into some mulch. And if it grows, it grows. If it doesn't, it doesn't.
That's right.
That's what's happening. If it doesn't, it doesn't. If it does, it does. That's...
So, Lane, what do you think about gardening?
I honestly like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
You think it's fun?
Parts of it.
Parts of it are fun. What parts aren't fun? Did you just steal my dirt? What parts are not fun?
Some parts are fun, some parts are not.
Which parts do you think are not fun?
I can't really remember anything, but there is parts that are not fun.
Yeah, I agree. The bugs aren't fun.
Yeah, that's my worst part. I don't really hate anything else beside that.
Same.
The bugs.
We like the good bugs.
The good bugs, I let them crawl all over me. But I don't like those kind of mutant stink bugs.
The mutant stink bugs, I agree with that.
Look, this over here, this was from, when?
That was Tuesdays.
And
they did need some water.
all over here was today, so we did maybe 15.
Probably about 15, yep.
Yeah. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification button so you never miss out for one of our newest videos.
Beautiful. Bye guys.
Bye.